Your cells run on NAD+, and it changes how we should think about aging. We talk about aging as if it's simply the passage of time. But inside your cells, something much more interesting is happening. One of the molecules your cells depend on every day is NAD+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD+ is involved in some of the most fundamental processes in human biology: energy metabolism, DNA repair, cellular stress responses, mitochondrial function, neuronal metabolism. It helps cells transfer energy from nutrients and supports enzymes involved in cellular maintenance. And here's where longevity research gets interesting. NAD+ metabolism changes with age. Researchers are investigating whether declining NAD+ availability contributes to some of the cellular changes associated with aging, including impaired mitochondrial function and reduced cellular maintenance. This raises an important question. Could restoring NAD+ biology help us age better? Possibly. But this is where we need to separate exciting science from marketing. NAD+ is essential biology. That does not automatically mean taking an NAD+ supplement will reverse aging. Human research on NAD+ precursors such as NR and NMN is still developing, and whether supplementation produces meaningful improvements in long-term health span or lifespan remains an active scientific question. So I don't think the lesson is, take NAD+ and reverse aging. The more interesting lesson is, understand the cellular systems that influence how you age, and NAD+ is one piece of that puzzle. The reverse age perspective. Your body isn't a machine that suddenly breaks at 50. It's a biological system constantly responding to exercise, nutrition, sleep, stress, circadian signals, inflammation, cellular damage, energy metabolism. The goal of reverse aging isn't to chase every new molecule that appears in the longevity headlines. It's to understand the biology, measure what matters, and improve the systems that support healthy function over decades. Don't just ask, "How old am I?" Ask, "How efficiently are my cells maintaining the machinery that keeps me functioning?" That is where the future of longevity becomes really interesting.